Hi guys, welcome back to the Coal Factory. It's Raquel. Today is going to be a skincare video and I'm going to share with you guys a problem. I struggle to say this. It's actually a problem for me to say this brand. Mineraline. And this is their Purify Dead Sea Mud Peel Off Mask. And I'm going to be talking about this and share my thoughts with you guys. But before we do that, you know what to do. Join the Coal Factory family, subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. Guys, I hope you've been enjoying my thoughts on my skincare and stuff. I thought I have quite a bit of skincare. Let me just share my thoughts with you guys. And this is the Purify Dead Sea Mud Peel Off Mask, and I like this, and I'll tell you why I like it. I'm gonna put the price down in the description box. One of the reasons I like this is because when you peel the mask off, I love how it just lifts any whiteheads that I have and some blackheads. I'm very prone here in my nose area, and when you peel this off, my skin is like baby soft, and I just like how matte it looks. Any excess oil is removed and my skin is just nice and soft, and it's supple as well. It doesn't dry out your skin, and that's the reason why I like using this. This mask says it's going to draw out dirt and impurities from the pores with the Mineraline Dead Sea Mud Peel Off Mask. It's formulated with mud from the depths of the Dead Sea. Our peel off mask is rich in purifying and healing minerals that will naturally renew your skin and repair blemishes and imperfections. Its unique formula is also boosted with the soothing and healing properties of aloe vera and aloe. After just one use, your skin will feel cleaner, firmer, and will be visibly radiant, and that's what I really like. In terms of the directions, you need to leave it on for approximately 20 minutes. You apply a very thin layer and leave it on for 20 minutes. Personally, this doesn't dry for me in 20 minutes. I have to leave it on for a little bit longer than that, and afterwards it peels off really easily. You just need to lift it and then the whole mask will come off. In terms of application, it is black, just like the packaging. And it is like gooey, very gooey in terms of application. You just need to put it on your hands, and then you can apply a very thin layer. Avoid obviously any hair like on your eyebrows and on your hairline, but you just leave this on. For me, I have to leave this on for about 30 minutes and peel it off, and I love the results. In terms of smell, it doesn't have much of a smell, but there is a little bit of a smell. If you're somebody who likes peel off masks, you're really gonna like this. If you're somebody who's looking to just get, a lot of the dead skin cells and impurities out of your skin, you're gonna like this as well. And I think that's about it, guys. Just my thoughts. I like this. I use it a lot. This a little does go a long way with this. Don't apply it too thick. I've been using this for over 2 months. I might use this once a week. You can use it more than once a week, but for me personally, I'd use this once a week. I don't like to really strip my skin too much. Even though this isn't very stripping, I still find that once a week or maybe once every 2 weeks is good enough for me. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Drop your comments down below. Check out my other skincare videos and just listen, hear my thoughts. Thank you once again, and I'll see you again. Take care.